Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I want to start out with letting you guys know that the color match was perfect pretty much. Well, actually it is perfect. However, we're going to focus on disassembling all these old components that we're going to reuse, like fog lights, a spoiler lip, etc, etc. And then we got the radiator support. This is the old one, the same thing. We're gonna have to remove all the components and put them all on the new radiator support, which is currently on the vehicle. Look at that, it looks good. So we do have a lot of work ahead of us, and we also gonna touch up all these little spots, repair other dinks that we have on both sides, also replace the hood hinges. All right guys, long day ahead. Let's get rolling. So we're done with this bumper completely.
Always saving the day, dude.
Yeah, you are for sure, man. Thank you so much, dude. You're exactly what I needed. Man, baller. Thank you. And that too.
And that.
The touch-up paint, yep. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, and the magical tool.
I might have some of that.
Oh man,
Half of it's like dry, but you'll be enough.
you just done did it, dude. I don't even know, dude. Looks like a Brazilian steakhouse to me. And you got Molly. Molly, what's up?
Nobody's here today.
Molly. Hey, baby. Oh, wow, you're excited.
That's my canine.
Looks like it's right. I guess we'll see at the end, but everything popped in.